Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your video in Edits. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. So first up, go ahead and open up your Edits app. Now once you're in here, if you have drafts, go ahead and open up your drafts. If not, you can go ahead and create a new project right here. Then just go ahead and select the video. For example, this one. Okay. I'm just going to tap on the check mark, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, to add an audio or music, all we have to do is just go ahead and tap on audio right here at the bottom left, or tap on audio at the top of our video. All right here. Just tap on it, and here we have a ton of selections. If you want to see your preferred music, just go ahead and tap on search audio right here. You have trending as well. Okay. Say for example, this one, Happy Mother's Day. I'm just going to tap on it and it will have a preview. All right. Now, once you're happy with that, just go ahead and tap on this icon, the right arrow, to include it in your editing section. All right. Just tap on it. Now in here, you can go ahead and choose the part you wanted to add for your video. For example, you wanted to add this section of the music to your video. Now, once that's done, just hit on the done button right here at the top right, and it will be added right here on top of your video. All right. Now, you also have the option to add or import your own music if you do have one. Just tap on import right here and it will open up your device storage. All right. As you can see here, we have these videos. When I tap on it, it will automatically convert to MP3. Now, if you do have an MP3 right here, just go and select that and it will upload just fine. All right. For example, this one, I'm just going to tap on the check mark. As you can see here, it says importing audio. Just hit on done and it will be added right here, named imported audio. That's basically how you add music to your video in Edits. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.